Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the elegant and versatile bathroom wall medicine cabinet. A perfect blend of farmhouse aesthetics and chic metal details with its real wood veneer and fluted design. This cabinet isn't just for the bathroom. Its versatile design makes it ideal for any room in your home, from the kitchen to the office, providing organized and accessible storage wherever you need it. With spacious compartments and adjustable shelves, you can easily declutter your space, while the detachable towel bar offers convenient access to towels or clothes. Built to last, this cabinet resists moisture and wear, ensuring durability and safety with its secure wall mounting. Measuring 23.45 inches high, 15.15 inches wide, and 7.09 inches deep, it comes with all the necessary hardware and easy-to-follow instructions for a quick setup. Transform your space with this stylish and functional storage solution that seamlessly combines Scandinavian and industrial styles. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more innovative home solutions. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.